Hey guys, I'm Greg Hardy and welcome to my channel. This video is designed to be a complete guide on high yield savings accounts. We're going to break down what a high yield savings account is. We will also explore some of the different banks that are offering some pretty competitive rates. Then we're going to weigh the pros and cons so that you can decide if it's the right choice for you. And in case you were wondering how a high yield savings account compares to a traditional savings account, I'm going to cover that too. And by the end of this video, you're going to know how to open a high yield savings account. Saving money is key to building financial security, and with the right savings account, your money can grow even quicker. So if you've been looking for a way to grow your money quicker than with a regular savings account, you're in the right place. A high yield savings account is like a regular savings account, but with one big difference. It pays you more in interest on your money. That means the money you put in earns a higher rate, so it grows faster over time. The interest rates on these accounts are usually much better than what you would get in a traditional savings account. In fact, some high-yield savings accounts offer annual percentage yields, or APYs, that are up to 10 times higher than what you would get in a regular savings account. Right now, some of the best high-yield savings accounts are offering APYs over 5%, which is one of the highest rates you'll find on deposit products. These accounts are great if you want to keep your money safe while still earning a decent return. They're usually offered by online banks or credit unions, which can afford to give higher rates because they don't have the same overhead costs as traditional banks. However, some traditional banks do offer higher rates as well. So if you're looking to make your savings work harder without taking on any risk, a high-yield savings account could be a smart choice. Keep in mind, though, that you will pay taxes on the interest that you earn since it is considered taxable income. Therefore, you should receive a Form 1099 INT from your bank if you earned more than $10 in interest during the year, which you need to report on your tax return. In order to make this list, these banks had to meet a few criteria. The first, they have to be reputable. I mean, who wants to put their hard-earned savings into a bank that isn't trustworthy, right? They have to be FDIC insured, meaning that your money is protected by the federal government. Now, the federal government only insures deposits up to $250,000 per person per bank. And these banks also had to have no fees or minimum balance to open. Now, my intention isn't to rank these banks from best to worst, but rather to give you insights on which banks are offering great rates on high-yield savings accounts. I will rank them in order of the yields that they provide. Now, remember, as the Federal Reserve raises or lowers interest rates, these rates will be affected. So keep in mind, these aren't fixed rates and are subject to change. Guys, if you're finding value in this video, I ask that you hit that like button and also consider subscribing to this channel if you're wanting to grow your wealth. It will also allow this video to reach a wider audience and help even more people. Thank you. First up is Ally Bank. And now Ally Bank is a great option if you're looking for a high-yield savings account with a solid interest rate. Right now, they're offering 4.2% APY, which is way better than what you would get in a traditional savings account. One of the best things about Ally is how easy it is to use. Everything is online, so you can manage your savings from your phone or your computer. Plus, there are no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements, so you can get started earning interest right away without any hassle. It's also a smart choice if you want to grow your savings faster while keeping your money safe. Now, I've personally used Ally and have never had an issue. Next is American Express, and they offer a high-yield savings account that comes with a competitive 4.25% APY, making it a pretty strong option for those of you looking to maximize your savings. Now, with American Express, you get the reliability of a well-known financial institution combined with the benefit of a high interest rate. There are, again, no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements, which means that you can start growing your money without any extra costs. The account is easy to manage online, allowing you to keep track of your savings anytime, anywhere. If you're looking for a secure and straightforward way to earn more on your savings, American Express's high-yield savings account is definitely worth considering. Sofi offers a high-yield savings account with an impressive 4.6% APY, making it one of the top options for those of you looking to maximize your savings. Now, what's great about Sofi is that they not only offer a high interest rate, but also bundle their savings account with other perks, like no fees and easy online management through their app. Plus, if you use direct deposit, you might even get access to your paycheck up to 2 days early. If you're looking for a high-yield savings account that gives you more bang for your buck, Sofi at 4.6% is definitely worth checking out. Wealthfront's high yield savings account is another strong alternative to traditional savings accounts. Wealthfront is now offering a 5% APY. It also features no monthly fees, no overdraft charges, and access to over 19,000 fee-free ATMs. The account also comes with a complimentary debit card provided through Green Dot. It also has FDIC insurance on deposits up to $8 million and compatibility with payment apps like Apple Pay and Venmo. Wealthfront lets you access direct deposits up to 2 days early and doesn't impose any transaction limits, so that way you can move your money in and out of your account whenever you need to. UFB Direct offers a high-yield savings account with an outstanding 5.15% APY, making it one of the highest rates available right now. This account is a fantastic option if you're looking to get the most out of your savings. UFB Direct keeps things simple with no maintenance fees, so you can focus on growing your money without worrying about any of these extra costs. The account is fully accessible online, allowing you to manage your savings easily from your computer or your phone. If you want to maximize your savings with one of the best rates out there, UFB is definitely a strong contender. Now guys, feel free to leave a comment if you know of a bank that offers great rates and service that I didn't mention. High yield savings accounts come with several advantages that can help you grow your money faster. One of the biggest pros is the higher interest rates that they offer. Compared to traditional savings accounts, high yield savings accounts generally pay you much more in interest, which means your balance will grow quicker. Another plus is the power of compound interest, which can help your savings snowball over time. The interest in these accounts often compounds daily or monthly, so you're earning interest on your interest, making your money work harder for you with zero effort. High-yield savings accounts are also very accessible, making them a great option for storing money that you might need access to quickly, like an emergency fund. Unlike CDs, which can charge penalties if you withdraw your money before a set time, high-yield savings accounts give you the flexibility to access your cash whenever you need it. Plus, these accounts usually come with minimal or no fees, so you don't have to worry about costs eating into your balance. And since high-yield savings accounts are insured by the FDIC, they're a low-risk option, keeping your money safe and secure without the ups and downs of the stock market. However, there are a few downsides to consider. One con is that the interest rates on high-yield savings accounts can be variable, meaning that they can go up or down over time. This is often tied to changes in the federal funds rate, so your APY might not stay the same. Some accounts might also require a minimum balance to open or to at least earn their best interest rate, which could be a hurdle if you don't have a lot of money to deposit up front. Also, some high-yield savings accounts offer tiered APYs, which is where you earn a higher interest rate if you have a larger balance. So smaller deposits might not get the best returns. Another thing to keep in mind is that high-yield savings accounts are better suited for short-term savings goals rather than for long-term ones like retirement. While they're great for keeping your money safe and accessible, they typically don't offer the higher long-term returns that investment accounts can provide. Lastly, some banks may impose limits on the number of withdrawals that you can make each month, which could be a drawback if you need frequent access to your funds. Overall, high-yield savings accounts offer great benefits. It's important to weigh these pros and cons based on your own financial needs, though. While a high-yield savings account is a great option for growing your savings, it's not the only choice that's out there. If you're looking for alternatives, you might want to consider money market accounts, CDs, or even investing. Depends on what your financial goals are. Money market accounts are similar to high-yield savings accounts in that they offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. However, they often come with added features like check writing abilities and debit cards, which can make them more convenient for your everyday money access. The trade-off is that they might require a higher minimum balance to get the best interest rates. This makes them a good option if you want the flexibility of accessing your money more easily while still earning a decent return. Another option is a certificate of deposit, or CDs. Now, CDs typically offer competitive interest rates but require you to lock in your money for a set period, ranging from a few months to several years. Because of this, CDs are better suited for savings that you won't need access to right away. If you're okay with keeping your money tied up for a while, a CD could be a solid choice for earning a guaranteed return. So if you're thinking long-term, investing might be worth considering. Now, unlike high-yield savings accounts that are great for short-term goals or emergency funds, investing in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds can offer higher returns over time, though it does come with some risk. Investing is usually better for goals like retirement, where you're looking to grow your wealth and outpace inflation over the years. Each of these options has its pros and cons, so it's important to choose what aligns best with what your financial needs are. If you've decided that you want a high yield savings account, opening one is easy and can usually be done online or in person. First, you'll want to choose the account that best fits your needs. Once you've made your choice, the process is pretty straightforward. You'll need to provide some personal information like your name, address, and social security number. Be sure to have your driver's license and a recent utility bill or mortgage statement handy, as you might need these to verify your identity and address. Some high-yield savings accounts require a minimum deposit when you open the account. If that's the case, you'll need to transfer money from an existing account to meet that deposit requirement. Once everything is set up, your account will be ready to go, and you can start earning interest right away. It's a simple process that can put you on the path to growing your savings faster. In the end, a high-yield savings account is a smart way to grow your money with little to no effort. It offers better interest rates than traditional savings accounts do, which helps your savings grow faster while keeping your money safe and accessible. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, a big purchase, or just want to see your balance increase, a high-yield savings account gives you the flexibility and peace of mind that you need. It's a simple, low-cost option that can make a big difference in reaching your financial goals. If you want to learn more about growing your wealth, then check out this video right here. But before you do that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video and that you got something out of it. I'll see you in the next one.